enti John Mahama kwasi ampanyini ma memra won so ansena mrefi woni Ato Forson kwasiafo mieru mo se mo ba koko no mo pagya de aduru 7,000 Ghana cedis 70 million John Mahama kwasia we scammer on kwasia jimifo fabi wo betuma wo se wa jimi wo de 1 million na atuma ade no wa jimi sa na ne kwasia nkotum kura na obi anwusi wantum 1 million o mo fanya dan ade no wa jimi sa me pra minim se o de 1.5 na tumo sa 1 million jimi
etim ko bina man kebre mpanimfo se enye enwachi ana bro bra ka se Mahama His Excellency the President what to Cocobod I say what to mu 128 Ghana cedis despite omo promise akese omo share kuafo no what they just 1.20 ana aba Twene Jonas aba kire na adwene ho mu ne akutukum also won tia say adenti na NDC for ya kromfo sa adenti na Mahama wo yes scammer sa Twene Jonas in fact one fan spell Mahama wo di Mahama dwuma e wo social media mountain so aha Penyah block media meso say ne di mu obe like video no da ma boss subscribe button the snap like the notification and latest updates na ba kire wa adwene dia mama e wo comment section meso so baso no ashi video from so enya bi ashe and then you know how NDC people spoke in opposition with the price of cocoa in fact omo de adibe organ bia ye propaganda everything their politics kase cocoa ekufo de si cocoa for me wa NDC fra konya so 2016 na cocoa bag either 4.750 ekufo so fra konya 2024 na cocoa bag either 31 million but still enkofu ya not ending say ekufo de si cocoa for e was go to cocoa bag at least 60 million emom de no ye politics e ga say ne cocoa bag omo ba ombeto no 60 million eno to akuafo no etirimo what I say omo to we appointed Randy Abbey as Cocobod CEO now Randy ne first appearance to the cocoa farmers ne onua ekwa fo mo no what the stuffing chair tia rubber emunu dwan da de kabu eno no da kwatena afuo mo de cocoa akuafo no enkodi nkomo ho mu za de na enye me who say Randy any stuffing chairs tear rubber akwatena nwuram ho and I say there be cocoa for yabo fragada because and then people this was the Cocobod CEO okwafu mo no odi akwafu no normal but unu akwa de oba chere sika be fie o yogoro what I say o yogoro na konya da de ka boot emunu dwan hyem na akwafu no e de koye meeting na eno na cocoa ntumu no e bai no unze akwafu no bo ahwe so e ma bi kura no osuani e be keka na adwene e wo ho
wo me catch ra wo ne senka wukunu ni mi anka wo pe wo boyfriend ni mi anka wo pe wo sa maami we wo me wale wo ba wase ni mi anka wo pe wa kunta wo nua ni mi anka wo pe wo enya mi kunu wo enya mi girl wo enya mi ofase enti na wani breme no eyensemhunu ana wudie no enye se wani breme anka wo mfa comment basa ema mi video ase emedi matam every day threatening eba me so sa video na me ye no wo hwani me kasa free Jubilee House wo hwani me ye commander me ye national security hweyie me ye be chew ye beye wo sei wo kasa anye me come kira wo nese me ma no so me ni fie me ni car me ni agapade ensene chairman untumi MPP chairman Kumasi me mo branch no hwe kwaye a mo de ne fa so agrada mi wosika madiye masifie e cha agrada ekwan amode na faso dia mo ye chairman wuntumi no me de ene enye che na mo be hye me condemn me ne me mana ye tata aso nsia no ye nyina mo be hye ye wo hwani kekan kwaso asem ye nsemu na wo ka no tie sa video we yie dia mo be ye mi bia mo nya me lumba se efie chi ni abofono afa dia osuani mi wu a nasa ye tigana ha ane nipa di matem twa madapa se me ye MPP ni me ye campaign edema MPP enti campaign na me ye num ana His Excellency John Mahama ka se na nado eye kromfo wa wia ganafo na wono de wo ba obeto cocoa bag 75 million ana me resign free MPP eba NDC ana me to aba e ma John Mahama nun tree ana me poza edigu cocoa so enso Mr. Sanson na me de gu cocoa na se said ye be ya anonomo masie ma kire niema bebre adisua bebre wo social media ye ntimi anyima ya afedie ye di matam wo bia wo se wo beto cocoa 75 million ye hwa ni mu se ma ye 75 50 million kura wa ma ye just 200 Ghana cedis 2 million went me and fanka cocoa and in guasie can see of state for no and penny for now would you good price half so no me papa me was for me and 1 come pay me the back 1 more and 1 2 4 so we didn't show I know when akasa and I'm coming your follower and so we can see Mahama me comment to biom me like you biom me show video biom I don't care yen kan okre dollar kofem wa me dollar na medie dollar gumifie dollar egumifie dollar kofem wa mo bompa yesa dollar be kofem sidi nkosoro ya de dollar na to koko wa hwekua fobo wa promise ye threatening ba me so mo pɛ me ache me nam we me nko na me kwafuom me nkwa eye risky I don't care lumba se wo fiachi eni aboforo wo ye di obetumi ne bra so ane wokɔ lumba won koi afedia mabra mo dia mo pa mo nyame mi wo sika anu onyam echeche man wuntumi e de na mo amfa anya no na me kwahye mpanyini hia ni kurasi ni bi ba te se me mo chi mi tum mo hye me mo kumia na mo ayade koko mo di kodi sika twikiridie mo di koko kodi why dare you me ame brano awurade nyame why dare you ade 200 Ghana cedis anuru we dey to koko mu mo tuateme me kwaka mo tuateme mo meche me mo nkume dia mo pa no mo nya ya bere akuafo ya bere e yankwasasa ya bere
na Twene Jonas we no so there bi ma me kasa bi ade a NDC ene Mahama eyen entwe in fact onye akuafo no eni ne ye ebo a wo hye wo mu enye no na ye huni o hye bo $1 asem na woni mi say dollar be ko fom ana say be cost but who forget ye ana wo twa abo 60 million edoto adentina wa bu koko akuafo na
enti John Mahama kwasi ampanyini ma me mra won so anse na mra fi wodo kwasi abetena say akufu ado agimi oni Ato Forson kwasi afo mieru mo se mo ba koko no mo pagya de aduru 70 series da ye beto aba no cost 7,000 Mrs. 77,000 Ghana cedis 70 million mujira baby a o akufo ade kronfo koko ne bo bro 100 and something million broni ni discount ma sorry broni ni discount ma akufo ado anu akodi ntimo de mu beduru ya akuafo obi abeje ama me kura ma di mu wandanse ese akuafo nyina nsore akuafo nyina nsore nkoto aba ma John Mahama hu fi we scammer on na kwa mi o say NDC a scam Coco family na ma hi no John Mahama kwasia we scammer on kwasia jimifo na kotuma anka de tuma ne nko bia 50 million na beka nyansa sembi kura wudi 1 million na akoto so na akota 31 million we aboa John Mahama aboa nchonwe wati jimi akufu ado tum from I 4 million to 8 million from 8 million to 30 million fabi wo betuma wo so jimi wo de 1 million na atuma ade no jimi sa na ne yakwase ankotum kura na obi anwusi wantum 1 million no mo fanya dan ade no jimi sa me kura minim se wo de 1.5 na tumo sa 1 million jimi mo abeka no kura se sika no abroni ni to no Ghana mpanifo almost 200 million enti 200 million every 1 minute bi aban basenam 200 million no enti kama jimi kura no mo maga akuafo no 100 million am so mfa 100 million unkodo afuo unkodo mpam unkoti akate unua koko umpompi koko so unya hwe kwase out Cocobod wo na wo no usisi nipa na de wa jimi Akia friend Kotu as it today they've allowed me to buy stars so it was blocked for stars so all right thank you I really do appreciate you Akia friend Kotu don't worry sometimes I don't know what it is but it's I Obian sending stars God bless Akia friend Kotu I love you so much and go for see me nyini onti ya now try plain take the black na bra best na me oba fa o guess in ba kudimachi di wachi bra na me ne nchere ne vibe bia na matimi di akura ba wiase na my dodo I flow dodo no my invite Ghana for me and fancy na no ma baby mama Akia friend du otu ama me yire ama me virgin girl na my produce a baby boy and a baby girl baby. Of course, maybe BMW nesi on. I don't need to worry about anything. FBI office nesi ano. Trump fear wechira omunyina suro me BMW nesi ono. Trump tia FBI headquarters here, the police in Susia, everything is brand new. I bought it cash. I'm the first owner. I ain't scared of nobody because I got money. I can friend go to as the farmers are angry. Your mama me charity, the koto crow, and it's also the charity and be chuck your mama tea. You wouldn't sweat Jimmy Siaki, Amako for Nantanasa, and Abaomiano. Where your mom were Jimmy Chow dying every 1 minute to be a my wasn't. Oh, Coco nam yetono, and you sika ubroni in the abba. Fesican Merkia for now is Messi 1 million penalty to who's where Jimmy. And one fan called Unim Grand Command to because I Jimmy Sam Nana Kwame also I lorry fare has increased 20% this month. Say Kwasia levy no me coffee de jambe lose fucking Yempe ye levy. Osimetrema kofa D levy abakwasia. Abra no ye dangerous in the level no. Every day obi abeko ni kuro mabe froka. Every day obi asori obeko adwuma mabe froka. Nti John Mahama unhu so agimi. Every day obi eba betua levy. Aden wa jimi. Wo di ahokire na ebegu oman no so. Akua friend do go to say it's all settled. We are coming. Yes, thank you. I really appreciate you. Yes. Akua friend do go to Mama, also Mrs. Sim this year. Nyamisha, God bless you. I really love me, my Akia friend in the country. God bless you, man. Of course, you know where we are. We are in the grassy of what time, New York City, baby. John Mahama. And no pebia driver ni be fele car. No akoye juma driver ni no basis. I'm a car owner. Obeto spare pass. Ni nyina duty nkwase duty taso. Enti obetua petrol nso ade akwa. 1 liter bia obetua 1 cedi na di amount. Enti a day no 1 gallon bia 4 liter na 4 cedis no no enti fan say ne car no for 50 gallons. Me car we say for 60 gallons. Enti fan say ne car no for 50 gallons ah. Unim sika do awaje odwan. Enti fan say utia ai mami calculating chira John Mahama kwasia no enti utipa ko nkodom pame obeji se sika we Africana for. Now sa no NDC na wo se na udi NDC na bra na se sensa na be den manya power ababio wo de hade o ba betua hade wo de mo hade se utia petrol 1 gallon bia e 4 1 gallon e 4 no 4 se o to 4 cedis no 1 gallon wo tua 4 cedis times 60 gallons no e saying 2.4 driver ni fele car one day akoye adwuma John Mahama ejini 2.4 million. Wo modam John Mahama ntu so agimi. John Mahama kwase 2.4 ti se driver ni adwuma 7 days John Mahama ejini say wajino 16 million John Mahama kronfo 16 million waji driver ni no. Na sa no ntu wa wu so ya boa. Ube kofie into so Jimmy kwasia obi say liter not gallon kwasia 1 liter bia e say 1 liter bia ade 1 liter no 4 liters and ma 1 gallon ebro 4 kra enti 4 liters no ade 1 liter bia 1 cedi into 1 cedi sa times 4 aye 1 gallon no enti say nipa no fail 60 cedis a day 60 cedis no 60 gallons a day 60 gallons no tia to 2.4 and 2.4 no we 60 no car be bre 80 gallons so and 2.4 a day no nipa ne ya adwuma ayi 7 days o tia say 60 million nti bosome no times 4 no times 4 say 1 month ne say oji driver ni bia 60 million bosome 60 million 700 cedis and a John Mahama eji driver ni na wonya boa wo chichiri kuro se ya ebede na ho kire ma nti ombesi sakas ka boode de agu Ghana for no because we Jimmy driver ni bia metua 60 million ma wo John Mahama wo fi kwase ya bi batise wo nti unim so we Jimmy say no am yan fan bi before mo ane sa nti unim so ya kwase ya say John Mahama no am yan fan bi before ni sa omo de ene de unkotwa o chacha obi ante o betting tax Afe unko send this scammer obi a wia wo na no kra no send this scanner. Why see the penny area where there obi every single day nipa ba ku betua bosumi bia 70 million na dia madra John Mahama uni chance John Mahama we ya boa entika ska ko 20% I temporary no ebe ko be 80% mu be dwane afukuro no because we Jimmy ni hu nipa wa Jimmy Seida petrol no yemfa taxes sa nguso entina aba America petrol up to now $2 Edientia because broni uni minyansa nkyɛn because e basa ebua ma obia oni kapre timi kwa adwuma obia oni kapre no onya adwuma obabi na kwan wakora otimi ye nkakra akra fro ka akɔ so onu anya bibi di abehwe ne yire ne ma entime ba ye ntu petrol mu da broni krom ye ntum de tia na tia ye obia ontu petrol no oni krom ha no okofa firi u bibini aboa u krom o na otu petrol John Mahama wo ye kwasia John Mahama uni chance se umu patroni binti enkan apoanche onwe kwase ya bi bat se o kwase ya bi bat se o obviously FBI are coming for your BMW. I buy everything cash. My blue BMW is shining. I buy everything cash. I got so much money, man. I don't need to worry about them. FBI for them to make I'm slow. Omunya mechanic from baby Pahama, me crowd omuna, I'm Sammy over Power. What I say, Chatawale, don't worry. Why is be a framework? New Jersey, almost on my connection with a clean title. What I say, my real people, Lamborghini video, bro. And the Elbechia, I won't mention, and Tiquanatum. People Lamborghini, almost the free New Jersey, bro. I'm ship the Abawedi. On my chat, Obi Lamborghini, I say, yes, baby. And on my chat chassis number, and I boss to come and they bro. People one, and Tiaba, now, what the Achicho red, men Fiomo. Against if who can come up for who. And to buy Sinanya from my Rihanna, I'm catching me almost so many of Ria de Brewally. And only your my chat chassis number, Shim come and Tiweno. Yoko for me, said she said, Yomu who can rada a joke. And the black, blue, green, a yellow wine, no one who knew that. No, my far. Well, yeah, the buyer who knew that, and the well is still about Chile, Agumoso. Well, is still about Chile, Agumoso at Amfubu. Because Mumia entered Mumia society, musicians and a sukakra. Because a system not a failure. Oba America musicians in with Ska, Omukas or more car more for real, nothing or more high criminal where we are the Abromo. What do I say? Because the music is monetizing. The system has been monetized the country to the sense that musicians be on here born in more radios, here about TV, so automatically advertisers are running with TV and so on. She can't be bad artist or creative art person or Bagana need the penny for a Jiminti. The Omunima and my Pieton or Mojana, they don't have any proper system. Be a Ebeboa musicians are for now Omotimia making income. To Omtuan in a common quantity or Muntiadis or Mudiomoko join of scamming any criminal activities and so on my survival. I live lavish life. Maybe do American Madani scanning because care friend to go to paying taxes and driving on a dangerous Accra to Kumasi road. It's a shame to humanity. Yes, I know that now you said your mama Sika origin, you know, the Kotofia myself for. And I'm a hero now. That's what the year tag and cry to Kumasi road and Kenya. All the taxpayers' money I playing. I'm a Ekofa, Kevin Taylor, Buamani Betna Ghana. Essence is taxpayers' money. Ekoma, Judge for Kwasia for. Emma Muji taxpayers money D. Kevin Taylor Buan to what you have to judge for us in a case in a foolish case. And your mama Quasiano, Meminim so any answer, ye baba to a bamano. No disconnectia not doctor's car, any nurse's car, any teacher for cano, my humana country now running. 24 hours no that be where Jimmy or the nurse of one doctor say go strike in the patients you and or this can my blogger for one Kwasia for to say Kevin Taylor one on what them and the way answer go for Temasa. Look at this nonsense. Obi a man I see and to Abama no. Now this if one almost does one Kevin Taylor no call million followers to say me. Almost does one me Ghana for ATM and I'm seeing to Abama to Amawa near Fena. me kotua sika makwasia bi dabi fa sika no somo man no said ye be ya next time obi do ho ananse watimi do ho ananse o John Mahama ba e kura no e say wa be ye we wa ha dabi o ba so ba betwa trumum eno enye sika ne yedi twa ma e pen ni pipa ma twa memo obi ani ntrum eno nti mo ye demonstrations at me ka kire Ghana for say enkofo we ni nyansa ye to aba mo mbo metwam na said ye be ya Ghana ni abrante ne bako school a onim se obeba no na ne kwadwo basia said ye be ya abrante ne ba papa ana maame ne ba pia kwasia bi nkwochi no anhyi ne trum enu nti said ye be ya ye culture any ye dignity as a Ghanaian no ebe showcase nti na me to abama mo nkwasiafo sa na menim se magime mo ba mo ntimi ntwam na minim se magimi mo ba mu ntimi ntwam kwasiafo menim bekofie. I'm telling you, I catch your Kevin Abuan or popular and or million followers. The almighty Twene Jonas men on mine you be look up to me. LDC banu Jimmy Ame Fayano, San MPP banu Jimmy Ame Fayano. The truth is powerful. Nobody is better at this than me. Ghana first. Now me catch us every 1 minute to be Abolaka na Munyamisha Bruni. Every now and then, Yamisha Bruni. Mammy can be subscribers. I can be Uncle Twene Jonas team. No subscribe. Say be all the comment by me. I be a friend who to I say it's this disgusting to see all those luxury cars driving on potholes in Ghana. It doesn't speak well of the high society. Amunyina said here the atian say bibini no ni minyansa. Kwasi Bruni krom you're from Kotal and F. Yes, standing in every Ghana. Bibini wa Jimmy Obetieti at the chim. Obetieti at the chim. No, they are running them was and so I will run and answer. What I say, no, Tieti at the chim. What I say, no, the Nimpabua, a crap. No, I grab quality and so no, I will run and answer on a car on what I can Yako. Well, Jimmy, I saw giant Bibini and Sabian in trim. Nana Kwame was they said some James is using our money to chop Sewame. Sammy Jamfi is using our taxpayers' money to chop Sewame here. Is it true? Yeah, it's true. Say we're money the TV so for money there. The answer was go. The answer was go. And until me catch that the Lumba say, when you careful, say, I'm here on, and one tia, and then many abri because I'm pedal the Lumba sem. Member says, say, I'm here, Breno, Yalibia, so on a channel. Because we mono the answer, I'm on Muska asa. TV so for money, dear sir. And until no moon to me, I don't know. Or more warrior money. Because Omukunu no me obi a jaba na ho bia enukunu so anti I no kure taxpayers money no Jimmy a omudi Jimmy no omu wi a no e mana blackmail omu na omu ne choice e so omu tam taxpayers money omu de be kwan ne koye ekoto fie mo omu anu ntini e bre no sika ne de ye tua obat se de be ye kuro ni ye no de entimi nye kuro ni ye on be sika ni nyina. A peer friend who to say I always know that voting for NDC MPP will not solve our problems. We need serious patriotic leader. Yes, Major Mahama, they were failing me too much. Now names were Jimmy Sha. On say mena me genidi because minim say wa be evident we who mistakes in your bar or be correcting. Now names were Jimmy say. Because what how say was it 1 liter be am the 1 cedi to so what Jimmy and every month be abeje driver ni 100 million na 100 million driver ni benya wan e so the good person ya for no so mo na e Ghana for mkoto aba ma ho enti saa no wa na wudi ho abro e be de na me di asem ne enko kan kire mo no mto aba ma ho unyimi ya sisese tax we no fama kwasiafo na etu gold wo Ghana no unua Ibrahim o e galamse unua Ibrahim Mahama. And two sister tax in the swam, and India for me more, China more, San Quasiafo no more, Gilisika no per you know, mine. No, I swat tax and I'm a gun and yan no more bro. I don't know, near you may be our employer. teacher ni untua ne ka o anopa bia so so ko kire nkura de o ko fro ka o ko kotua nkwahye sika de ama driver ni because driver ni no what to car sika because John Mahama odwan na sister taxi ko gu petrol no so anti already no taxes no at the petrol no so that was my Jimmy Tima cover dealer bi abeto so onye odwan na ade a levy sem ne de obi akov e de akofo ade say ne down for de de ne kofi e levy anti Jimmy munyimi ya musa de levy sem oberen nipa ne obi anya adwuma nya okronum de onya adwuma yen so amuntua ne ka
ubeza achire wa adwene amame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media.